Welcome to the Lioness Mountains, Sierra Leone. Sierra Leone is bordered by Guinea and Liberia. The capital city of Sierra Leone is Freetown. There are about 16 ethnic tribes in Sierra Leone. Each has their own belief. Sierra Leone's culture is a diverse blend influenced by the large amount of different ethnic groups inhabiting the township. Today, we remember the lives of those who fought for our rights and freedom and our independence. By Bure and Sembepia.
Putting on record this historic day in the life of the country.